walk along this beautiful green precious path. 2-minute walk from where we've been staying. Gorgeous day for it. And then park somewhere over there. Got that restaurant there, which we've done a live from yesterday for breakfast. So yeah, 48 hours in Lanzarote. Definitely recommend it. Weather's been really good. Thursday, we got the early flight and it was absolutely glorious. Yesterday was a little bit cloudy. Today, as you can see, sun is in the sky, a little bit of cloud. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. Connecting to the world. Before we head off Gran Canaria, so we're actually flying. Got an interesting thought process. Which I'm going to be really honest, I didn't really think about. So I don't care about flying. I go to the airport. I'm going to be thinking about, is the apartment going to be nice? Is it going to be sunny? Is it going to be easy? Is security going to be annoying? Have I overpacked? Yes. Why did I overpack? All that stuff kind of going through my mind. But from my partner, he is thinking he is terrified. All he's thinking is not going to play and the worst is going to happen, and he just goes into panic mode. So for him it's a real kind of, I don't know, I don't think like that. But for me, when I go to the airport, it's not even really crossing my mind. So we're getting a little plane anyways from here, first time from Lanzarote to Gran Canaria, and he is freaking out. So yeah, if you are one of those people who are scared to fly or an anxious flyer, or the airport is just somewhere you do not like, you are going in there thinking, help, let me know. Or are you like, you just don't even think about it, you're just like, going on holiday. Or, wherever. It's not that busy. Might have needed to roll up my leggings a little bit more. Sinking into this. Oh, the sand is so soft though. It's really, really nice. So yeah, so that's what I was thinking. For me, I don't really think like that. To the point that he really wanted us to get a boat, which is about 5, 6, 7 hours, quite stupid. Yeah, so just trying to keep him calm, giving him as many beers as possible, so hopefully for the 40-minute flight he's asleep, and then we touch down to Gran Canaria, which I'm really excited about because we've not flown there before or been to the island, so it's a new experience for us both. But Lanzarote is absolutely gorgeous. I would definitely recommend it. There's somewhere I think I could take my knee. I think my sister and my parents would love it. It's got that sort of really nice family vibe. If you are looking for a bit more of a party and let your hair down, I don't think this is the island for you. But if you want a nice girly, relaxing holiday and you can sort of have a drink and just soak up the sun, this is the perfect place to go. Right, I've not got a lot of footage because my camera is about to run out of space, but I just wanted to show you the gorgeous beach and what you can be doing. But it's like, come on out, subscribe, While Grand Tours, also Grand Raw, which is behind the scenes. We've got loads and loads of travel videos, not just the Canaries. We've been all over Spain, got the Gibraltar on there. You've got a bit of everything. But yeah, if you do want to look for your next destination, get out of that dark, grey, cold UK, check out the page. Don't forget to like and comment. Really means a lot. And yeah, we'll see you in the beautiful Gran Canaria. Fingers crossed the flight is okay. I'll let you know on the other side.
Gracias.